Alright, ladies and gents. Probably more gents than ladies, but it's whatever. I went to the store maybe 2 days ago, picked me up some Stoker's Long Cut and some Redman. Alright, today I'm going to focus on the Redman. Stoker's, couple days. I'll make another video. Well, so far on the packaging, looks good. I already opened it. Half the bag's empty. It's pretty good shit. First off, Ziploc baggie. No problems opening it. Bag doesn't rip like Levi Garrett. It's perfect for you starters. It's also nice and juicy. It's also pretty leafy. Good shit. Fair size chew. Not bad. Definitely don't taste like raisins. First off. More of a sweet molassesy kind of flavor. Pretty chewy, sticky. Good. I'm a little spitter here. Doesn't taste too bad, not for a first. First time ever chewing Redman. Loose leaf chewing tobacco. Says it can cause gum disease and tooth loss. I believe it, because I pretty much already started. But it's not a bad chew if you want to try it for the first time. I'll give it a thumbs up, maybe 8 out of 10 for flavor. Juiciness, definitely. Very juicy, gotta spit. Very juicy. I don't know if you can see that or not, but pretty dark spit. Dark chew, nice. I enjoy it a lot. Stays packed. Very nice to the teeth. It's not gritty at all. It's nice and smooth. That's about it. That's all I got for you. If you like Redman, go ahead and give it a try.